We'll guide you through how to create gradients in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once you have your canvas ready, go to the top menu and click on the Gradients option in the toolbar. You'll see a list of preset gradients. To create a new one, you need to click on the Edit Gradient button, which looks like a small pencil icon. This opens the gradient editor. Here, you can see the gradient bar. To add a new color, click anywhere on the bar to create a new stop. You can then double-click on this stop to open the color picker and choose your desired color. You can add multiple stops to create a complex gradient. You can also adjust the position of each stop by dragging them along the gradient bar to change how the colors blend. If you want to delete a stop, just select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Once you're satisfied with your gradient, don't forget to give it a name in the Name field at the top. After naming your gradient, click on the Save button to add it to your gradient list. Your custom gradient is now ready to use in your artwork. You can apply it using the Gradient tool, which you can find in the toolbox on the left side of the screen. Just select your gradient from the list and drag it across your canvas to apply it. And there you go. You've created a custom gradient in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.